Hello and welcome to KineMaster Quick Tips. Today we're going to be talking about audio filters. Ooh. In KineMaster, it's very easy to use audio filters. With a flick of a switch, you could sound like a chipmunk.
Look at me. I sound like a chipmunk right now. Isn't it crazy? Right? I know. Share it with your friends. Share it with everybody.
Or with another flick, you could sound like a robot. This is how a robot sounds.
Apparently, when I sound like a robot, I also have to pretend to do the robot. That was a dance in the 80s.
You can also use the deep settings.
So you can sound kind of like Barry White. Again, you don't need to know who Barry White is. Do I have any references from this century?
And this makes you sound like a fan. I'm a fan.
Maybe we should just go with helium after all.